Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Sony WF-1000XM4. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this earbuds. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Sony WF-1000XM4 TWS earphones are among the most reliable earbuds on market. They are widely praised for their sound quality and their unique noise cancellation. These earphones quickly become the benchmark in the industry. The WF-1000XM4 continues Sony's pattern of bizarrely shaped headphones. They feature a weird shape with a globular design and steampunk gold vents that are for the microphones. It's certainly unique, but whether it's beautiful is something you have to decide. The outer shells of the earbuds has large areas of touch sensitive to allow gestures. It is easy to just lightly tap on them to activate the gestures. This is certainly better than poking your ears in the same way the majority of other earbuds do. On the inside of the earbuds, you will find optical proximity sensors which detect the moment when the earbuds are put within your ears and play or stop the music accordingly. And if you're wondering, do you want to witness a magical trick? The location of the sensors on the back are in a way that if you put the earbuds in a certain manner on a surface, it blocks the sensor, making the ears think that they are in your ear. I've been able to return to hear the music playing even after I removed the earbuds and put them on my desk, even when I was not wearing them. It was definitely an oversight on the part of Sony. The WF-1000XM4 comes in an interesting minimalist gray box that resembles an egg carton in miniature. The packaging is eco-friendly and stylish. Inside you'll find earbuds, a small USB-C charging cable, as well as 2 additional pairs of ear tips made from foam small and large in addition to the pair already glued to the ears medium. The WF-1000XM4 uses very small dynamic drivers, measuring just 6 mm. The driver supports SBC, AAC, and LDAC in addition to Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. The tone of the WF-1000XM4 is heavily influenced by warmth. The emphasis is placed on the bass region, and less emphasis on the treble area. The bass is softer in height than the one we have in the majority of Sony headphones, which means it doesn't absorb the sound with too much bass energy. It has a more gradual bass shelf that starts in the bass region in the upper part of the range and extends to low octaves. The wider shelf eliminates unusual boominess in any particular area and gives more consistent boost to the bass in general. The mid-range sounds more balanced, particularly in the lower areas. Mala voices are natural and full-bodied due to this, with only some residual warmth that comes from an increase in bass. The mid-range tends to fade a little at the upper end when it enters the treble. This could result in female vocals being drawn to the back of the sound with strings and percussion. Microphone. The WF-1000XM4 microphones have superior performance. The sound quality is fairly natural in a quiet space and can be heard even in noisy surroundings. This is one of the areas where wired earbuds certainly aren't a monopoly. Nevertheless, the WF-1000XM4 does well and will be able to handle lots of calls. Sony is recognized for its outstanding digital noise-canceling capabilities, and the WF-1000XM4 is not an exception. Despite their tiny size, they do a great job at blocking the majority of sounds around you. Comparatively to cheaper models available on the market, which boast that feature, WF-1000XM4 come with more of a comprehensive noise cancelling. It covers a larger portion of the ambient noise spectrum that includes the mids as well as the higher frequencies. The less expensive models focus on the lower frequency. The result is more comprehensive control of the ambient noise. The only place where the WF-1000XM4 can take place is in the sound quality in the transparent mode that Sony refers to as ambient sound. It's quite soft and artificial when compared to the alternatives, including AirPods Pro. The OnePlus Buds Pro have a more natural-sounding transparent mode when compared to. The WF-1000XM4 offers excellent latency performance in video files. There is a tiny delay that most will not notice it, and is easy to adapt to, even when you're sensitive to it, as your brain bridges this gap in the duration of. When gaming, the delay becomes more apparent, which is not ideal for informal gaming. If you are playing more seriously, it's always best using wired audio, particularly in the event that you have to use the microphone. The WF1000XM4 worked mostly well during my tests. In testing using SBC as well as AAC codecs, there was no issue with the connection and the audio was never lost. With LDAC, it is possible for things to be more unpredictable. While 330 kilobits per second or 660 kilobits per second were perfectly, 990 kilobits per second could occasionally produce very significant drops in the sound quality, which will require a drop to at minimum 660 kilobits per second. However, the interesting thing, it wasn't the case all the time. It did happen at times that playing at 990 kilobits per second caused absolutely no problems. The problems with LDAC have been a problem I encountered in the WF1000XM4 as I reviewed them back in the year 2020. This seems to be a common issue for Sony products and is a bit odd given that it's in Sony codec. This is only an issue when you manually set the bitrate at 990 kilobits per second, and if you do it automatically, there shouldn't be any problems. The WF1000XM4 are advertised to have a battery life of 8 hours when using ANC enabled to playback audio. It could be that for or without SBC, however. When I tried using the more powerful LDAC at 990 kilobits per second, I was able to have only 6 hours of uninterrupted playback. This isn't too bad when in comparison to other devices available, but far from the claims of Sony. I also tried to determine the length of time that the earbuds could last with a sure 10-minute recharge from a flat surface, and they lasted for 2 hours with the same settings like before. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. Pros: efficient, powerful and full-bodied sound, excellent ergonomics and beneficial options, amazing call quality. Cons: battery life is not particularly impressive. B+ noise cancelling. It may take a while to get in a comfortable position. The WF1000XM4 are the highest quality wireless earbuds that will continue to be an excellent alternative. They are certainly costly. However, having tried a number of less expensive options available, you definitely get the value you pay for. Important aspects like the quality of audio, active noise cancelling quality of the microphone, and even the battery's life are a cut above the cheaper options. The area I would like Sony to make improvements is the comfort level. It was a problem with the WF1000XM4 before and also for a variety of reasons. However, with the WF1000XM4, it's the rigid foam tips available in small sizes that are the reason. A wider range of sizes or a variety between silicone tips will be appreciated and shouldn't cost overly expensive for the cost. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.